In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix could not sign in to Apple ID iOS 17. If you're running into that frustrating message in the App Store or in settings, follow along as we walk through two reliable methods and a quick final sign-in step to get you back up and running. First, we'll refresh your Apple ID security, which is often the root cause. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap your name at the very top to open your Apple ID page. Choose Sign In and Security, then tap Change Password. To verify it's you, enter your iPhone's unlock passcode. Give it a few seconds to load the next screen. Now create a new Apple ID password and re-enter it to confirm. Make sure it's strong, unique, and meets Apple's requirements. Once it's accepted, your password is officially updated. While you're still in Sign In and Security, turn on two-factor authentication if it's currently off. This adds a trusted code step that helps prevent account issues and improves reliability when signing in. Then scroll down and enable automatic verification. This reduces the number of manual CAPTCHA prompts and can smooth out the sign-in process across Apple services. Next, we'll update your media and purchases and region details, which can also trigger sign-in errors if they're out of date. Go back to your Apple ID page and tap Media and Purchases. Choose View Account and enter your Apple ID passcode if prompted. Tap Country or Region, then select Change Country or Region. Pick the country where you currently live and agree to the terms and conditions. You'll now update your payment and address information. Choose a payment method that works in your current country. If you don't use paid apps or subscriptions, you can select None. Enter your street address, city, state, or region, zip or postal code, and a local phone number in the correct format for your country. Accuracy matters here, especially if you're using a card, since the billing address should match what your bank has on file. Tap Done, then Next to save everything. To finish, reopen the App Store, sign out of your Apple ID, and then sign back in using your updated credentials. This refresh forces the App Store to pick up your new password and region settings. After completing these steps, the could not sign in issue should be resolved on iOS 17. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.